The market is exhaling. After years of explosive growth, we are entering a cooling period. Do not be fooled by the high list prices online. Competition is thinning out. Inventory is up 16%. Homes are now sitting for 126 days. The frenetic pace is gone. Prices are finally correcting. Single-family homes dropped to $660,000. Condos are at $406,000. The peak is officially behind us. High living costs are pushing some away. But look at who replaces them. Wealth from New York, San Francisco, and DC is still arriving. And do not forget the global pulse. Latin America remains our backbone. Florida is still the #1 destination for international buyers. Construction does not stop for a cooling market. In Brickell, a $650 million tower rises. The general market slows, but ultra-luxury defies gravity. We are matching 2022 records. The bidding wars are over. This is your moment of leverage. You have the inventory and the time. Do not just buy, negotiate. For sellers, patience is strategy. If you have flexibility, wait for spring 2026. Lower rates will unlock the pent-up demand you need. The frenzy is gone, leaving only pure value. A stabilized market allows us to build with intention, not panic. This correction is healthy. It filters out speculation. What remains is a market built on solid ground, ready for the next cycle of growth. The headlines say cooling, I say stabilizing. Smart money sees the truth. Miami is not crashing, it is maturing into a global capital. Remember to subscribe to our channel, Miami Real Group, where vision becomes legacy.